Good morning, students. My name is Sagar Wilson, and I will be your math teacher. So, in today's class, this is your first class. So, in today's class, we will be learning about the chapter number system. So, in the number system, we are having two types of number system. हमारे पास दो तरीके के नंबर सिस्टम हैं, जो कि पहला है रोमन नंबर सिस्टम और दूसरा होता है हिंदू अरबिक सिस्टम. हम ये दो ही सिस्टम्स को पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि ये दो सिस्टम्स जो हैं ये सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन सिस्टम्स हैं. जो सबसे पहला होता है रोमन नंबर सिस्टम, ये होता है जिसमें हम नंबर को एक अल्फ़ाबेट्स को यूज़ करके हम उसको एक साइन फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. जैसे कि अगर हम लिखते हैं 1, इफ़ वी राइट 1, सो वी विल रिप्रेजेंट 1 लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज द रोमन नंबर सिस्टम. अगर हम 2 लिखेंगे सो 2 विल बी रिटन लाइक दिस. अगर हम 3 लिखेंगे सो 3 विल बी रिटन like this. 4 will be like this, so and so on. So we will write Roman number systems like this. तो ये होता है रोमन नंबर सिस्टम्स के लिखने का तरीका. वहीं अगर हम बात करें हिंदू अरेबिक सिस्टम की, तो हिंदू अरेबिक सिस्टम जो है वो हमारा मोस्ट कन्वेंशनली यूज्ड नंबर सिस्टम होता है. व्हाट वी यूज कन्वेंशनली इज द रोमन नंबर सिस्टम. लाइक वी यूज like we write 1 like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So this is the Hindu Arabic system. इसको हम कहते हैं हिंदू अरबिक सिस्टम. तो जो हमारे सबसे पहले जो दो नंबर सिस्टम है, एक होता है रोमन नंबर, सो वो होता है ये, और हिंदू अरबिक सिस्टम की बात करें तो हम होता है इसको हम कहते हैं हिंदू अरबिक सिस्टम. अब जो नेक्स्ट चीज आती है वो है कि हम इन नंबर्स को अरेंज करने का हमारे पास कोई सिस्टम होना चाहिए. सो द फर्स्ट सिस्टम विच वी हैव फॉर अरेंजिंग दीज नंबर्स इज द फर्स्ट सिस्टम विच वी हैव इज द इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. Indian place value chart. This is the system in which we keep these numbers and arrange them so that we can get a proper order of these numbers. So सबसे पहले इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट को हम कैसे बनाते हैं, पहले हम वो बना लेते हैं इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. तो देखिए हम कैसे बनाते हैं. So
Fast.
So this is the Indian place value chart. Here we have four columns: ones, tens, sorry, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. So in ones column we have three subdivisions, that is the ones, tens, and hundred. In thousand we have thousand and 10,000. In lakh we have lakhs, 10 lakhs, and in crores we have crores and 10 crores. So if we get a number, we will arrange these numbers in this table so that we can get the proper sequence of that number. So I will teach you with an example. So here we have an example, like suppose we have a number that is 5 7 6 4 7 2. Now suppose you are given this number and you have to arrange this number in this particular table. So how will you arrange this? तो सबसे पहले हम इस नंबर को पीछे की तरफ से इस टेबल में अरेंज करेंगे. We will arrange this number in this table from the back side. So the first number from this order from this side is the 2. So first we will arrange this number 2 here. Now the next number is 7, next number is 4, next number is 6, next number is 7, and next and last number is 5. So here we have arranged all the numbers in the table. Now what will be the sequence? Now you can see that the 5 come in the lakh, so it will become 5 lakh. Next this is 7 and 6, both of these come in the thousand, so it becomes 76,000, because this is 10,000, so this will be 70 and 6, so this will be 76,000. So it is 5 lakh 76,000, and the same here this is 400, so it will be 470, because this is in tens form, so this will be 70 and this will be 2, because it is on the ones position, so it will become 5 lakh 76,472. So when you will write this in alphabetical form, so it will be like this. It will be 5 lakhs 76,000 400 and 72. So this is how we arrange the numbers in the Indian place value chart. Now suppose we have been given another number. I will teach you with one more example, like this. For example, we are having another number that is now we are having one more example. One more example like this. So we are going to arrange these numbers again, doing the same way. We will keep the last number here and then arranging all the numbers from the back side. So we have arranged the numbers. Now you can see again how we will pronounce this whole number. So you can see both the three are coming in the lakh section, and this one is coming in the tens of the lakh. So this will be 33 lakhs 24,700, because again this is in the hundred. So 736. So the whole number will be 33 lakhs 24,736. So when we will write this, so it will be like this. So this was the another example where you can see how we arrange the numbers in the Indian place value chart. So I would request all the students so that please note these down in your maths copies so that you can easily revise this for the future term. So please note this down, all these things in your copy. Now the next topic is representation of numbers on abacus. Now this is the next topic, ये दूसरा टॉपिक है जिसमें कि हम ये सीखेंगे कि हम एक नंबर को कैसे abacus पे अरेंज कर सकते हैं. हम इसको एक एग्जांपल के साथ शुरू करते हैं. For example, if we have a number 32051, now you can see that here we have 5 digits. So again we will make an abacus here. Now see how we can make an abacus. First, draw a table. Now we have to arrange this number on the abacus. So first of all, write the numbers under the abacus. Arrange this number from the back side. So this will be 1, 5, 0, 2 and 3. So in the one section you have seen that we have only having one number, so we will make one circle over here. Now in 10 we are having 5, so we will make 5 circles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this only we are going to do this in the whole thing. Now 100, in 100 you can see there are no numbers, it is 0. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, 0 है तो हम यहाँ कुछ नहीं बनाएंगे, it will be empty here. In 1000 we are having 2, so we will make 2 balls here. And similarly in 10,000 we are having 3, so we will make 3 balls. So 1, 2 and 3. So you can see that according to the numbers we have made the balls in the abacus. So on the one section we were having 1, so we have made 1 ball. In the tens we made 5 balls because we were having 5 number here. In 100 we were having no number, it was 0, so we didn't make anything. In 1000 we were having a number 2, we are having 2 here, हमारे पास 2 है इसलिए हमने यहाँ 2 balls बनाई है. And in 10,000 we are having 3, that's why we made 3 balls over here. So this is how we represent this particular number on the abacus. Similarly you can try another numbers also. For example you are having another number. Now this is the another number. So now again we will arrange the numbers in the same way. First we'll arrange the numbers from the back side. Now you can see I have arranged these numbers. So 2 was on the ones place, 1 is on the tens, then again 2 is on the 100 position, 5 is on the 1000, 10,000 is on the 4, and 6 is on the lakhs. So again here it is 2, so we will make 2 balls over here. On tens it is only 1, so we will make 1. On 100 it is of 2, so we will make 2. On 1000 we are having 5, so we will make 5 balls over here. On 10,000 we are having 4, so we will make 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And on lakhs we are having 6, so we will make 6 balls over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have made all these balls in front of that particular number. So this is how we represent a number on the abacus. So I hope that you have made the notes of this in your copies, and I hope that you have understood what I have taught you today. So please note down all these things in your copy, and this is all for the today's class. We will be learning more in the further classes. So thank you.